Hello, my name is Charmaine and welcome to my second floss tube and any other crafts that I might get into. Welcome back. It's been a while and my husband Larry has been bugging me, but we've had a major thing going on in our life. He just went through prostate cancer surgery and we're slowly starting to recover from that. Anyway, I just wanted to show you a few things that I have done since my last video and let you know that some people have requested to see more of my crocheting. I will be glad to show you a couple of blankets that I have done in the past. Here is one and it's called a stripe Afghan, zigzag Afghan, and it's with yellow and lime green. I've done numerous ones. I've done them all for my kids, for girlfriends, for everybody. And here's another one with a multicolored yarn. In kind of a check pattern. You probably can't see it too good because it's all the same variegation, but it's very pretty. Recently, the other day, I started one while my husband was in the hospital. And I finished it, and it's with a blanket stitch, which I think is so pretty and very easy to do. And here's the colors, some of the colors that are in it, and it's all done with worsted weight yarn Lion brand. And now I'd like to show you what I've also been doing, which is diamond painting. I can't believe I got hooked on this stuff, but I did, like most people. And I just finished this Christmas one. In a truck, you could purchase it at Christmas time in Michael's for, I think, I want to say $14.99. And it really turned out pretty. I really like it. So I have one spot I want to do something for each season, and this is my Christmas one. Then later on, I always liked peacocks, and I got this at Michael's, and I got it half off, and it's a Diamond Dots brand, and it's really going to be pretty. See, I'm not going to take all the canvas out and everything, but look at it. It's got these little beautiful iridescent diamonds pieces for the bird itself, for its wings. Then I also got at Walmart, I ran across clearance for $7. Bless This Home, and it's a Daz one. I'm sorry. Yeah, 17 gemstone colors, and it was on clearance for $7. They had some other ones, but I chose this one. I thought for $7, why not, right? And let me see here. I got one that is a frog, which I love frogs. I am a big frog person. And it will, I hope you can see it so I don't have to undo the thing. But I thought he was cute. And he's got 35 colors, if you can believe it. He's 30 by 30 and he's got 35 colors. And I've got another one put away that's a hummingbird I want to do, and one that's Dopey. I always like Dopey from the Seven Dwarfs. I found one online with him, and it's just fun. You can do this while you're watching TV, and it's kind of mindless. Then I wanted to tell you, we have a place called the Highway Pickers, and it's 4 levels, and it's thousands of square feet. I mean thousands of square feet. It's got everything in it you can imagine. People have all different booths and things in there, antiques. It's just really a fun place to go to. I always usually take my daughter-in-laws or my girlfriend and I go, and it's just like having a field day. You could spend hours in there. Well, recently I found this antique hemmer. You hem up your skirts and clothes, and I have it on display in my near my craft closet. And let's see, what else did I find? Something now. Let's see. Oh, I know. Hold on. These old spools with their threads on it, which I think are so neat. And here's a blank one. I thought this one was so pretty without any thread on it. Here's another blank one. Here's a blank one, which I thought was unique. And these are just old spools that they used to use in factories. And here's some more. And I have them in this handmade basket from Cowboys Ropes, Lariats. And this gentleman had made them, and I just display them in that. I think they're kind of neat. And let me see, what else do we have here? Then, a new pattern I got is this Lizzie Kate fall snippet. And I got the material, the fabric for it. It's hand-dyed fabric from, I think it's Picture This Floss. And it's called The Bloom. And, but now that I've got that blanket done and that diamond painting done, I'm going back to my cross stitch because I love the counted cross stitch. And this is the pattern I am going to get back to. I've gotten a little bit done. I think I showed in my last film, but I really want to get back to this. It's just calling me. Anyway, and this is a short little film, but I just wanted to say hi, a shout out to Pam and Stuff from Just Keep Stitching, from Barb from Keepsakes, from Jan and Nancy and Jean. I'm looking forward to StitchCon coming up in June. I can't wait. I had such a blast last year at the very first one, and I'm counting the time and just trying to get my husband well so that we can make it. Anyway, I also hope all of you have fun crafting and doing what you love. And don't feel like you have to limit it to one kind of craft. I love needlepoint, cross stitch, crocheting, diamond painting, knitting. I do it all. Anyway, you all have a nice day, and until the next time and next travels, please subscribe to Retired and & Roaming, where I hold all my crafts and all our travels from my husband and myself. Have a great day.